Today we'll demonstrate the wiring of the servo drive. Take the R8-208PN model as an example. There are two accessories: a plug-in terminal connector and a wiring aid. First, insert the connector into the slot. Then, connect the corresponding wires to the matching terminals. Insert the aid into the hole and press down firmly. And insert the wire into the terminal port. Repeat the above steps. Press down and insert. The same applies to removal. Press down and pull out.